Hi there, I'm Clara, and I'm thrilled to show you the magic of chatting in Clariti. Clariti offers two easy ways to connect with your team: group conversations and direct chats. First, let's talk about group conversations. These are named based on context, making them unique and super easy to manage. On your home screen, click on New Conversation and give it a subject name and choose the participants. See this Project X group conversation? You can share emails, files, feeds, and chats from others in this conversation, all in one place. With all your conversations grouped by context, finding that crucial email or file becomes a walk in the park. No more endless searches, and no more wasted time. Now for more personal exchanges, we have direct chats. These one-on-one conversations keep communication efficient and focused. Now, here's the exciting part. Clariti's contextual conversations sets us apart from the rest. Unlike channels and other tools, our group conversations are based on context. Join us and experience the power of contextual conversations for yourself. Enhance productivity and unleash the full potential of your team. Happy chatting and happy collaborating. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me in the next adventure. Thanks for watching.